รายการต่อไปนี้เป็นรายการสำหรับเด็กผลิตขึ้นเพื่อผู้ชมในวัย 6-12 ปีอาจมีภาพเสียงหรือดนตรีประกอบซึ่งใช้เฉพาะในการเรียนการสอนเท่านั้น
Hello kids, me teacher Asad. I'm back with my fourth video of today. So after 1 week rest, we are back. We are going back to study, and we had 1 week holiday because of pandemic situation. As you know, COVID-19. We had some teacher got into this problem, so now we're gonna back to the study. First of all, we're gonna start with our unit number 2. All right. So unit 1 is finished. I hope you understood. It was easy for you and you have done your homework. I check your homework is really nice. And now we are going to move with unit number 2. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. So your unit number 2 is about simple problem solving. It's the same thing, the problem solving in your daily life using some mathematics. Alright, so in simple problem solving is, what is that thing? So this is what we're gonna study in this unit. Alright, how we can solve the problem in a computer. Alright, so you wanna check it out? How do we solve the problem? First we're gonna check out how do we solve the problem in a daily life, like a simple problem if we have in our daily life. How do we solve it? Let's check it out. Okay, so we have everyday problem. So first we're gonna see there is a guy, you can see. Let me think of what should I do to feed my chicken. Ducky wants to feed the chicken. Alright, okay, so Ducky wants to give food to the chicken. So he's thinking about what should he do, how he can give food to the chicken. Alright, so we have to find the way to solve this problem. So this is the problem. How can we solve this problem? By using step 1, step 2, step 3. Alright, let's see how we can start. Okay, so as you can see, for giving the food, as you can see, look here in the picture 1, there is picture 2 and there is picture 3. There are 3 pictures. Picture 1 say pour the rice seeds to the ground. Okay, on the ground. Alright, pours rice seeds to the ground. Alright, picture 2 scoops rice seeds from the bag. Alright, scoop rice seeds from the bag. Number 3, walk to the chicken. Alright, walk to the chicken coop. Alright, let's see which one he has to do first, and then second, and then third. Okay, which one should be first? Should he walk first, or should he pour first, or number 1? Which one should be the first? Let's figure it out. Alright, as you can see, first number 2 is this one. Alright, this number 2. Number 2 is scoop the rice from the bag. Scoop rice from the bag. Number 3 is the second. Number 3 is the second. Alright, and walk to the chicken. Alright, walk to the chicken. And then number 1 is this, pour the rice seeds to the ground. Alright, so these are the steps she has to follow to give the food to chicken. Alright, so this is how we solve a problem in a daily life using step by step. Alright, okay, so problem solving, there are many ways of problem solving. Alright, so we can use different way of problem solving. Let's see what we did. There are many problems in daily life: walking up to last, staying and focus in the class, fighting. Alright, and in this situation you can see there is one more situation that this guy, his name is Gang, goes to bed and wakes up late every day. So he is always late from school and fell asleep in a classroom. How can Gang fix this problem? Alright, So gang's always late. So what is the problem is here we have to find the problem. Number one, these are the steps of solving problem. Number one, 2, 3, 4. All right, steps of solving problem. All right, number one is find and understand the problem. What is the problem? Gang goes to bed and wakes up late. What is the problem? We have number one is Gang goes to bed and wakes up very late. Gang always fell asleep in the classroom. So there are two problems we have. First, he go to bed late and wakes up late. Alright. Gang always fell asleep in the classroom and he sleeps in the classroom. And now we have to plan. Now we're gonna have to plan to solve this problem. What should we do? Number two. Alright. Gang should find the way to go to bed early and wake up early. Okay. Gang should wake up early, okay, on time, and go to bed early as well. Alright, so this is the way we're gonna solve this problem. And this is what we're gonna plan here. Okay, plan to solve the problem. Solve the problem. Number three, we're gonna solve the problem. How we can solve the problem? Gang goes to bed early. Number one. Number two, Gang sets an alarm clock. Alarm clock is like on your phone, or there is a clock you can put on alarm clock. Alright, alarm clock, or ask his mom to wake him up early. Alright, so this is number three, solve the problem. And number four is test and check the result. Now we have to see what is the result. So result will be Gang goes to school in time and Gang does not fall asleep in classroom. Alright, so this is the result of this problem. As you can see, we find out the problem, then we plan then we plan the problem, and then we solve it, and then we test it. So there was number one, find, number two, plan, number three, solve, number four, test the result. Alright, I hope you understood. Alright, let's see. Okay, now you have guys activity for you 2.1. Alright, in this one you have to see Ging cannot read, so she does not understand the lesson. Finally, she fails to test. What is her problem? What is the problem with this girl? Her name is Ging. Alright, she has a problem of reading. She cannot read. Number one, she fails to the test. So this is not a problem. She doesn't like reading. It's not a problem. She cannot read. So this is the problem with her. Alright. Okay. Gang does not like to eat vegetables. So it is hard for him to pass stools. What is his problem? He does not like to eat vegetable. Vegetable in Thai is pak, I think. Yes. Alright, so he doesn't like to eat vegetable. That is the problem. Alright, so we have to mark number one. Alright, okay. And number three, we have Paul likes to eat snacks and fatty food, so he becomes fat and sick. What is his problem? What is his problem? He likes to eat junk food or fatty food, snacks and fatty food. He likes to eat vegetable. No. He likes to eat rice and drink milk. No. The problem is he likes to eat snacks and fatty food. Alright, so that is the problem with him. Okay, so we have activity 2.1 is you have to circle the items that you put in a school bag. The school bag you take at your school. You have which thing you put in your school bag? Do you put in a bear? Do you put in your school bag? No. You have a pen in your school bag? Yes. You have a ruler in your bag? Yes. You have a book in your bag? Yes. And This is your bag. Do you have a cat in your bag? No. Do you have a whiteboard in your bag? No. Do you have eraser in your bag? Yes. Do you have a pencil? Yes. Alright. So you have to circle it. Alright. Let's see the next thing. The method of problem solving. How do we solve a problem? The different way of solving a problem. Okay, let's check this out. So which thing we have? Number one, we have comparison. All right, comparison. We have to do comparison that between two things, 2 or 3. Okay, so first we're gonna do with 2 things. We're gonna look out which things are common, which are not. All right, let's see. Comparison is the comparing things. We can do it by looking there 2 or more different features, so we can see how they are. All right, let's see what is this about. Okay, so we have 2 robot, R2, its name R2, this name is Ducky. Okay, so we have to compare what is same and what is not same or difference. This is, you see, here is same, here is not same. Okay, this is what we call is similarities. Okay, similarities. All right, and this is what we call differences. Differences. All right, so in this one we have to put what is same. Okay, look here, R2 is a robot, Ducky is a robot, so both are robot. They are robots. Number one is they are robot. They have the same size of hands. Look at the hands. Look at the hands. Okay, they are the same size. Okay, and number 3, they are controlled by a computer program. Okay, the both robots work with a computer program. All right, now what is the differences? We can see they have different colors. So this is yellow and this is green, so they are not same. Okay, okay, number 2, R2 doesn't have wheels, but Ducky has. Look here, the foot, its foot, okay, it has no wheels, it has wheels. You can see it's not same. All right, number 3, Ducky looks like a duck, but R2 looks like a human. Ducky looks like a duck, quack quack, and R2 robot looks like a man or human. All right, so it's not the same. All right, I hope you understood. Now we have another example for you. There are 2 house 1, house 2. All right, home 1 and home 2. All right, you have to see what is same, what is not same. All right, similarities and differences. All right, okay, house 1 and house 2, what they have? They have garage. This is the garage, this is the garage. Okay, so it's the same. They both have front yard. They both have front yard. You see that? This is front yard, this is front yard. Okay, number 3, fence. It has fence, this white color, it has fence as well, so it's same. All right, and number 4, front path. You see, this is the path, the brown color, it's a front path. It both has the front path, which is same. All right, now we have to see what is not same. What is not same? The color of the roof. This is the roof. Okay, that is the roof. Okay, that is the roof. Okay, the color of roof is different. It's blue and it's orange, I guess, brown. Okay, and number 2, design of house. The house not look the same. You see that this house is like this, and this house is like this and this, 2 steps. All right, so they are not looking the same. Number of trees. How many trees it has in this house? In this house, 1, 2 and 3 trees. in this house we have 1 and 2 trees. All right, so they are not the same. Okay, number 4, number of cars. Okay, house 1 has only 1 car. House 2 has 3 cars. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, all right, I hope you understood. So now for you, there are one more way of solving the problem is trial and error. Trial and error is the way of try out the way and solve the problem whether it's work or not. We do it again and again until we learn to find the way to do it. A monkey is trying to collect bananas by trial and error method. Look at this picture and find. As you can see in the picture, this is a monkey. He wants to get the banana. All right, so he has to find the way. I found this way for you. This to go and get the banana. All right, like this. Okay, you have to draw the picture on your book if you don't have. Okay, you have to do like if has to draw the picture to find the way to go to banana. All right, if there is any other way you can go through. You can't go this way. It's gonna be there. So this is the only way to go and get banana. All right, okay, so here you have activity 2.3. okay, 2.3 is very easy. You have to see the picture. There is a square with red color, square is white color, then square is red color, triangle with green color. So what should be here? Triangle with white color and triangle with green color, a circle with purple, circle with white and circle with purple. Okay, so here you can see how many tips are of these shapes. All right, you have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and then 1 2 3 4 5, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, so this and this and this, 7 5 6, and then 5 6 7 and 5, and here 5 6 and this one 7. Okay, you have to circle the correct option. Okay, this is the B. All right, is the missing here. All right, so same like you have to do this all activity. Okay, and now you have activity 2.4. in 2.4 you see, for example, you see 1 dot, it has 2 dots, it has 3, 1 2 and 3, and then 4. Okay, so you have to fill up like this. So here you see A, B and D, A, B and C and D. All right, 10 11 12 and 13. Okay, you just have to do this activity like this. Look at the pattern and fill up like this. All right, it's easy for you. Okay, okay kids, so today's topic is the end of today. So I hope you understand and it was easy and was very fun because it has some game for you for these, and I hope you can do it and I believe in you. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe